Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your device is not compatible with this version. So guys, or this app is not compatible with your device. So guys, these are the same two errors if you are facing in your Android phone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your Play Store. And guys, now you can see here, simply you need to click on Play Store, and guys click on your main profile and click on settings. And guys after this you need to click on about, and guys you need to update your Play Store from here. And guys after doing this you need to go back. Second is you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on system and click on system update. So guys, simply you need to check if you have any kind of update on your Android phone, then you need to update your phone to latest Android version. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing this, if still not downloading that app, then guys simply you need to open any internet browser. And guys after opening any internet browser in your phone, then guys here you need to search that app. So guys, for example, I want to search this app, that is Fiverr. And guys after searching your app name you need to search a website, that is APK Pure. And guys after this you need to download that app from first link, APK Pure. And guys after this you will be able to install that app in your phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.